this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to activate your PlayStation 4 as the primary console. So if we're on the home screen here, let's go up to the top and go to Settings, then go on over to Account Management. Then we want to scroll on down to Activate as your primary PS4. And then go to Activate, right here. Now when you activate your primary PlayStation 4, your PlayStation Plus, and all the games you've ever purchased on your account will be shared to additional accounts. Also, if you are having issues where it says one of the games are locked on the home screen, you can try going to this section. Also, go to Restore Licenses. And if you become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with your licenses. This will also fix the issue where you have a lock symbol next to your games on the home screen here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.